Wait, speaking of which, Waka Kobo, and obviously Motamasut,
Yes, sir.
and Orapaka Sesotho
Yes,
and
sir.
everything. So I need to understand why Omali Temba.
yeah.
Temba is Zulu.
That's true.
Kapo
I remember you put it
Hebes
down,
was like, Omali Fana. Temba.
Like to my boys, I'm like,
Yes.
Mr. Price, I got you know what I mean? Yeah, you're not sponsoring us, Mr. Price. So, yeah, Real City
But
Kings.
that's where we
Yes,
at.
yeah.
Yo, brother. I think I was in a happy space. I was in love. And then one thing about me, if you haven't learned, all my music is about women that, you know, plus size.
Bashidi Gani.
Yes.
My
so,
king.
you know, I got fella on it's
Say less.
about that. So this is not an exception. So I'm just giving out a scenario on how do you love what goes down.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Welcome, Omali Temba. Welcome. Beautiful record, by the way. You have a beautiful record. Welcome, guys, to the second episode of the Jump podcast. I'm with Konishi Wasap.
What it does,
He's my co-host for the day, and Ralph the Dandy. We're joined by Omali Temba. Yeah, he's in the
Bro, we've got
building.
this. Don't.
Yeah.
You're
Say
somewhere.
less. We got that. Man, this is a beautiful record. You did say, the peanuts and how do you wole kara mofuthu wa lerato. Like, yeah. Oh, you're reminiscing.
Yeah.
I say less. But yeah, within your music and stuff, whatever you've been like doing, it's based on positivity. And you're mainly focused on like the positive side of things. And now I'm glad that people are now catching up to like the positive side of things.
Yes, sir.
And you as Omali Temba, I'm glad you're raising that flag. How much Afghanistan red flag? Yeah, like you have like the white flag and stuff. So we're just gonna have a quick chat about the song. How did Bobby Strings come along with the song?
Oh yeah. Bobby Strings is somebody who I met quite back, and then I loved what he did. And then I got, lucky enough to blow up before he did.
Yeah.
So he hit me up and Angomela Pina Edson Sambu. I fell in love with his
Yes,
voice,
sir.
the style and everything. So I realized he sounds international like his mother tongue.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And then I wanted for the song Horibe international
Yes, sir.
and then I got him Sesotho ka Sekgowa, I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
So the same element.
Because some of batho ba bang ha ba utlwisise gore ha ba shona motho no ntsa bina o ntsa reng
Yeah.
bona re ba pregela no ntsa reng baby or koipo similar as that. So
Yes.
batho ba bua something which is totally different. So I wanted to give money market to Rantani
Yes, sir. To bridge the gap. Yes, sir.
And we saw that the song is like doing big on like
Oh,
TikTok and
And
Spotify.
yeah, it's going crazy.
Yeah.
It's going
Yeah,
crazy.
can you explain like how has it been like having a TikTok hit? Like,
and this
And that's crazy, especially in the air. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He's doing something that I think only a few artists have had that feat in the country. So it's like your Ndedestana with Steamela was an international heat on TikTok, So also to have like you line up with another hit, and it's a different sound from what people expect from Lesotho, It's your own sound, and you and Bobby bringing in two different elements. Such a beautiful jam. How are you? It's just to like chop up his question is like how are you dealing with the success of a hit on a platform
Yeah.
that big.
You know, my brother, we recorded this song like 3 years ago.
I know.
It went out
3 years ago.
Yeah, 3 years ago.
3.
Yeah. So,
Ana 3 years ago kgoditse kae?
my brother, 12 months time is 3 years.
36 months ago.
Yeah.
Damn.
So, hey, when how it's about Sapina because I've heard but have I open to new ideas.
Yeah.
It's a new sound it's more like career
Suicide. Yeah.
So
Experimentation.
I had to be sure, am I really doing this? And then I tried to look for something and because pressure I'm from so and then whatever I do, it has to be bigger than my heart.
Yeah.
And then I went for that song. Like, let's revisit that song.
Yeah.
And then we met up. General not the that was me, Bobby Strings, who else? Pokabo and Sané.
Yes.
So we were there. And then the DJ played local music.
Yeah.
And he played Mashabat and then he played, took out my phone, I recorded.
Who was the DJ? Skara DJ. Remo fe shout
I don't
out.
remember
Shout
his
out.
name, bro.
NSA El Patel El.
No.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Shout out El
Shout out to
Patel.
him.
Yeah, he plays a lot of
Yeah,
local
yeah.
music. Yeah.
So even then I put this song on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram.
Uh-huh.
And then TikTok has numbers. Like TikTok, and then there's this lady
Yeah, you see her.
she's the first.
Shout out Kanisan.
Yo, what is happening? And I keep on saying that was her, that was Kanyimbao, that was Nati, that was Zano,
Shout out.
Fifi Cooper,
Shout out.
and so many other guys from Botswana, they
Yeah.
were called Visionary, and then they reacted on the song. And that's when I felt, okay, this is a big song.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't expecting that kind of energy. Because
Reception in.
yeah. There has to be a trend to follow off. So how the guy to in charge what who so
Yeah.
it's been crazy.
Yeah, even in ya TikTok or
Yeah.
even as much as you guys like are blowing up on TikTok. What's over TikTok na ya le patala like
Yeah, monetization.
Flag.
yeah, Ralph, you were checking out the things. What did they say about like TikTok and stuff?
Nah, basically what he said, TikTok, if you're not monetized, which is not easy for us
To get
down
money.
here,
Yeah.
down South Africa.
Yeah.
It can pay up to like a few cents every 1,000 views. I don't know if you got your check, but but what I realized,
I should put in your
but what I did realize is Spotify as a platform is a way better platform in terms of the promotions.
Or promotions.
It puts you on the best of the week, best of the month, best in Africa.
But hona tsena na ntho re batlang ke tšhelete.
Yeah.
We agree.
Yeah.
Because the Shebina Spotify, let's say, okay, I did the numbers.
Yes.
On your song, I did the numbers.
23,000.
I have the numbers.
Yes.
Spotify, your song, Mashaba Tunale 23K.
Yes.
And 23K.
Yes.
Yeah,
View.
23K streams on
Yes.
Spotify.
Yeah.
So Spotify pays up to like 0.003 cents.
Yes.
In dollars though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they take the split 70-30.
Yes.
So when I did the numbers, you were supposed to earn 200 70 cents.
Yes.
I'm like, but that's crazy. It's not in dollars.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
And you know what's crazy?
It's in rands. I even converted.
Yes. You know,
Pontonyana.
the reality of it is,
Yeah.
I remember Aloe Black, right? Aloe Black was talking about how he had the biggest song on Spotify. He was the first guy who had 2009 when he launched. He had like the biggest song on Spotify, right?
Spotify's been there since 2009.
Yes, sir.
Before World Cup.
Yes, sir. Put it.
Before Shabalala.
Wait. Before 2010, you know.
Yeah.
So he had the biggest song. You know, in the song, yeah. Yeah, I think it's that. Yes.
I'm the man, I'm
Yes.
okay,
Is that that or the song with Kanye West? When I'm in need. That one. Yeah, Ikaring. Oh, just a go. That one. Yes. So basically, he had the first big song on it, and he said he made like $2,000. $2,000. Like he had the biggest, most streamed song till 2014, and he had like $2,000 to get off that. You know. So the pay to artist ratio is not necessarily the best. So the reality of it is what TikTok did for him, I think it's promotional more than anything. And the reality of it is
It's more like it's a platform.
yes. So ideally, higher Monanang, what pushes us is if people know more, it's the bookings. It's gigging. Yeah. So like I your gig culture right now is crazier than last. I remember the last time I saw you, I was like, bro, you need to rest. You need to like, you know what I mean? Yeah, he needs to like
He needs to refresh.
he needs to,
sorry. This is our sponsor, Refresh Water.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can find it at your local stores.
Yes, sir.
And we're coming to you live from Elibo Guest House. Our another sponsor is Mr. Cabs and 92 Cuts.
Yes, sir.
And we are cutting back into the show.
So, but basically, I was saying is like, how had the obviously we know, you know, Ten just told you didn't make enough money of it, you know, and like the monetization element of it is very complex. It's kind of like YouTube in a way, but for you, how has that catapulted you into like the gig scene again? You know, I know you were consistently gigging.
Yeah,
he's been Mahadi, Asabawe, you know what I mean? You've been like killing it for like that long. Do you acknowledge that there's an industry now, and also what has TikTok done for you in terms of gigging, like especially with this song?
I think TikTok plays the biggest role in my life,
Yes, sir.
especially Mona
Yes, sir.
because there's more people on like they spend most of the time on their phones, and then videos are higher because when I'm about to make a meeting.
Yes, sir.
Maybe how I try to champion.
Yes, sir.
So when I'm about done just because Baboni trend. What's going on?
It's just a fun thing.
Get TikTok. Basically TikTok.
You find the numbers all around. The out of like I'm going to how much I go message you. So more people, because I feel like more people wherever.
So it's like shit my phone.
In give money is
Yeah.
so I don't like but you cannot pay him this much.
Oh.
If I'm able to charge this much here, why can't I charge it that much
or more?
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy, because there was this one time I had a gig in Bloemfontein when I was still like, you know, DJing.
Yes, sir.
I'm serious. But I said, okay, guys, I'm doing it for the love.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Hanenzeki, it's like the passion in when you can alone. I'm not going to give up like in Bloom, and then these people, they're like, yo, I'm fair to at the time Nenzeki charge your 1.5s, your 2Ks, and then I was like, oh nah, 1.5 stayed.
Yes.
So and Hotman la ka lang hula khone le re ba tshwana o tseba o tshile blind ka background ba re mane re mo cheatile
badly,
like o tse bona ba mfile 5K, and it's like na mane re mo cheatile blind because these other persons, like we pay them like boma 15 20 tena o tse batla 5 state and o khotsofetse ha o batla ke batla rala ke batla that I was like, yo, 5K
is a block,
and I'm
on the Regal piece, you know.
Yeah, but I get what you're saying. People need to respect like the prices tsa rona, regardless of rona o tswa ebile ha o tsana henyeng they even have to give you more.
Yes, sir.
International.
Yeah, you're international, like transportation.
Yes, there's a lot involved. Logistics are crazy.
Security, you have to be safe. Make sure you don't take a booking it on Social Nguvi. There's a place in Joburg it's on Social Nguvi. It is a place. That is where DJ somebody was killed. That is where DJ Mashata. Who's the guy? Yeah, he was shot too. Kabza even cancelled his recent booking. Yeah, thing. But Social Nguvi is not safe. Everything ya crime revolves around Social Nguvi. Kolo ya dutu the laptop, the phone, like
oh, we need to have that reference though.
They'll come for me.
There's some safe. Okay, like let me ask you this. Okay, do you have like any reservations in terms of like bookings, like where you don't go? I understand that a booking is a booking, there's money, and but like where it's like you feel like it's not safe enough for you and your people to pull up in the country.
It used to be Mafitein, but Mafitein, that's where more give mana
Oh, yeah.
Like number 1 ke le ribe, number 2 ke Mafuteng.
Yes, sir.
Masiroti is number 3.
Yes, sir.
But I don't everywhere get high.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
you have to know your stuff and be mindful of na.
Yes, sir.
I need to be mindful of.
Oh, yeah. Say
Wait, speaking of which, Wagakobo, and obviously you
Yes, sir.
and the Orapa Sesotho
Yes,
and
sir.
everything. So I need to understand why Omali Temba. Because Temba is Zulu.
That's true.
Kapo Hebes was like, Omali Fana. Temba. And then you were like, run with it.
Way back before you go panale.
Yes, sir.
So, me wa ka ke Mosotho and tata wa ka se Mosotho.
Yes, sir.
Tata wa ka ke Mozulu.
Mm.
Hanza ke hola like ha ke go bona hanzo hola ntse le go fumana passion ya hao. Le music re ho se ba nna ke hotse ba mena ntho ngolong up until this is what I love. So kana go no no trenda reggae haola I don't know if you ntse le mo hopola na go no la reggae fela. Next time mona tsa di reggae tse mo tse.
Yes, sir. Dance hall, rhythms. Yes, sir.
So that's when I got introduced to Bob Marley.
Yes,
And then
sir.
I did my research on him and then I liked what he did.
Yeah.
Ka fumana hore ke motho a khonneng go fetola menahano a batho ka music wa hae
Yes,
because
sir.
o binne kana go tsana tsa bodi
Dintwa.
Yeah.
So I liked what he did kwa go a change tsele batho ba nahanang ka teng.
Yes.
And then I wanted for my brand to contain
The same.
something guy. And then Bob Marley, that's
Oh, Omali comes from Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
You guys, what is this? I do not know this gentleman.
First here on the
I do not.
podcast.
I don't know. I do not know this
We're
man.
not Uruguay.
I don't. How much other content, bruv?
Oh,
You know.
yeah.
Yes.
First,
watch this
yeah.
Is it, I watch other content. Like Jenna would tell you.
We've been to.
You know what I mean?
Yes, yeah, Teta.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Oh yeah. Bruv, let me ask this, ne? Which other platforms do you think exist in the country that are really good for artists, ne? That you've been exposed to? I'm aware that you're part of Sudo Kids, and I don't know the relationship or not. Is it an agency in the is it management for you? Is it an agency? Because it's not a record label for sure. But I know Khebez is out here pushing, you know, and the team, they're always there around you. So I'd want to know now, what's your affiliation with them, and also what other platforms do you think exist in the space that people could use to like also grow their brands and their artistry?
With Sudo Kids.
Yes, sir.
Ntho ngwe le ngwe rena re etsa ka kgwetso ka ga rena ntho mona
Format.
ntho ngwe le ngwe e tswa tjena na re etsa because re etsa ntho la tla go utswa rona.
Yes, sir.
So in essence la platform e sharp le gore batho ho bua ka yona and then we wanted e ba ke nka monyetla ka nnete okay I'm not a model but ke a rap so this is what I do.
Omali, tell the truth.
Yes,
You were once a model.
yeah.
But he's not. He's not.
You're no
in that
longer a
capacity.
model.
Yes, sir.
I
Okay.
had to be one before you you know what I
Yes,
can
sir.
sing.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
and then I focus on singing.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then it 11 trivial and then I found somebody who was smart enough for I said say what he has to make sure
Yes, sir.
so when I'm going to gigging, like I used to go perform mahala free of charge up until cerebral demand. Perform.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, and I think the platforms they are good for artists. Platforms they can for me, I gave mutemona how needed some ole like radio station is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I take every opportunity I get. So
Yes, sir.
like media go fella on.
Yeah.
And then this space is diamond. I think for artists. And I really wish for at some point it something, you know, it deals with local affair.
Yes, sir.
Because Chenak will do piano.
Yes, sir.
It's a lot of diamond.
And honestly speaking, the hip hop culture was dying out.
Yes, sir.
And then I think the culture.
Yes, sir.
Sparking, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Diamond saved hip hop.
I don't know. He said it. You got notification from him. Certified.
But I've seen
Yes, sir.
into Diamond.
Yes, sir.
Did you perform Diamond, you perform in one of
No,
them.
he just goes for the vibes.
Or you just go for holoblom.
To unwind.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
go on ke bone hore you work le batho ba origin
Yes, sir.
ke ba khutsi ba bo Semo
Yes, sir.
bo Karabo
Yes,
bo mang.
sir.
Yeah, I've seen already like you're friends with those guys.
Shout out to
So
Origin.
ke bona origin is sebetsa le bo
Yes,
Diamond
sir.
haholo. So I was
Yes, sir.
thinking maybe lo wena o kile wa lahlela
No, that's in the works.
something nyana.
They
you
got
know?
pay. Yes.
Oh, it's in the works.
They got pay.
Yeah, no, has a charge available at 2020.
No, you know what it is.
Yeah, it's also charge a
You-
different.
you know what it is?
They gotta
You know what it
produce
is?
a better check now.
You know what it is? I think shout out for that.
Yeah.
Anyway, shout out to the guys at Diamond. I'm not affiliating right now. Right now, I'm at the
Empa wa
jump.
apere Diamond.
Hey, but every day, swear.
Yeah,
but,
Diamond.
but right now, I'm at
Hey.
the jump. You know what I mean?
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
the Jump podcast right
Yeah.
now. So
Yes, sir.
shout out to that for the platform. Shout out. Thank you so much. You know, but I feel like what we're trying to push there is collaboration. So even him coming onto the spot here talking about the space, it's because he sees the vision.
Yeah.
So the vision is also obviously lengthy and you know, we're trying to figure things but in the same way, right now there's a lot of experience, you know. We're taking elements from everybody. Yeah, so we pop a cook, man. How do we do that?
So
Yeah.
lona ha le etsa ntho eno ya Diamond, you are a well sentse le na le di-plan, I guess.
Yes, sir.
So does Omali have a plan ya hore na where does Omali like in the next 6 months? I ke batla hore in the next 5 years.
Yes,
I want
sir.
to say in the next 6 months o sontse ipona hore o tlo sebetsa le bomang. Is it
sir.
because le teng hore o be o bona rwalo? Is it because you have a team, o na le management?
Yes, sir.
Is it because o na le team le management?
Yes,
sir.
So ntwe ke batlang ho le botsa all of you guys like now when I started DJing, it was more of ntware ne ke batla bo manager because I heard like the artist in the body manager and whatnot. So this management culture at the time when I started back in like 2016, 2017, it was more of people like event organizers, whatever, they didn't like this idea. Ya hore o na le manager,
Yes.
manager. He mona re batlo bua le manager ga go bua le wena.
Yeah, ho bona. Like ho na ntho mona hore ha motho ntse a bua le wena be nna ke
Yeah.
kgona ho moshapo. But the moment you motse okay, this is how I work. Go fa nomoro tsa motho ke sebetsa le yena. He deals with don't bua ka.
Yeah.
Change up line.
Yeah, that's what I was.
$dollars.
Hey, it's still happening even now. Kobane, I know the reason why batho ba batla ho bua le rona like
In person.
Kobane o batla ho tlo ha mfethu ha ntse re qala da wa bona.
And hana feel, trust me. Ha ka ho wena.
Eh, wa tsa hore ai ke tla mo shebisa, you know. Hana mfethu una botlole yane. Oh, ke a bona. Okay, ke a re tla o zama. Go felele bo ma Christina nyana wa bona. E le gaolenyana le transport wa moji, and at that time Omali's like 3 times that price, 5 times that price. And I think it's about time hore Lesotho we should start like pushing to our ho be le di management. You know
Yes, sir.
sana le management ya hae.
Yes.
Sello Maputla, shout out to Sello, he started a managing agency.
Makutle or Makutle.
Makutle.
Yes.
Yeah, just said
Ziggy.
Sello, right?
Yes,
Ziggy.
sir.
Yeah, Ziggy Ukadile, his money, like his agency.
Yes, sir.
But they manage artists, they manage brands, they do all those.
Yes, sir.
So I feel like more people should start stepping into that.
Yeah.
Le Khebezi, in as much as our manager were a crazy team.
There's
I
other
don't
art.
know.
There's many things. You know,
Yeah,
managers,
yeah. So I
the
feel
models
like,
and the talent. Yeah.
I feel like in music per se, we should have more management. Ho be le management or he ba fethu ke spanning da motho nana o spanning wa spana, so we trying
Let me
to
show you something as well. Hona le ntho mona hore like ha rena enough information ka the business side of what.
Yeah.
So ntho eno tlo fumana hore nna ke le artistic like ke Futhumetse blind.
Yes, sir.
And ke nka motho le hore ha ke na relationship
Should be
le
there,
yena.
yes,
We
sir.
just met. Ke motla ka hore fela o tswa agency and
Yes, sir. With the
this is what I
margins.
do.
Yes, sir.
So mona montse re le teng ehle there's a high chance of batho go roka blind.
Eh.
You never get to know how much you
Intentions tsa motho ka se di tsebe.
Wa bona? Yeah. So now I think we need to build relationship before they get into
The management business. Yes.
Yeah. You need to build
Before you establish
friendship,
the
you hang out,
before you establish the relationship.
One, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
okay, so this is gonna sound controversial.
Yeah.
Now Omali Hanid Kalaho Frosta. ne re tsebana via like the MCT era.
Yes, sir.
Ono le part of the MCT entertainment
Yes,
and
sir.
stuff. So would you say like mo le qetelletseng le leng teng today le MCT, is it because le qadile le sa builder relationship le yena qetellong ya hore be ho ba le di misunderstanding tsa hore na music wa ka ha ne ko distributor ne ke sa expecta ho wena o etse tjena le tjena le tjena. So when you come at me ka 1 2 and 3 and 4, it's not like ke ntho tse ne re dumellana ka tsona. Is it something you can comment about?
Yeah. Azaba ke ntho mona re ke ne ke le ka ga the stable. And then there were so many of us. So kana go no ho na le specific artist le ha ke di bolela tjhe. They were pushed kind of and then I felt
Neglected.
exactly because I feel like I deserve to be pushed.
Yes, sir.
So even when I go out you know what, let's try this thing out and then it worked. So I say ka but now in mpelo ke bona focus ile batho ba bang so ne ke bona nako ya ka ntse
Yes, sir.
So le teng wa bona, okay, not who I'm agreeing or who no push ba bangwe sa push wena, but wouldn't you say that was a blessing in disguise? Because even as much as we might think hore ke nako ya rona, but even nako ha e dumele hore ke nako ya hao, if you get what I'm saying. Like
there are so many people even now in the game.
Yeah.
There are so many kids but it's over famous, but that is over there.
Without
and then they're
building
skipping so many things.
Yeah, you need to experience it all.
Yeah.
It's true. Yeah.
I was actually thinking about that.
Yeah.
Even I was actually talking to one of our co-hosts. He couldn't be here. And he was showing me a post. Who post where one of the DJs were one. This guy's the best. He's the best in the country. I'm like, hey, guys, what's up? Sometimes we see the terms that we're using.
Yeah. Don't throw things
Yeah,
around.
don't throw. You know what?
Don't throw things.
I mean, you're saying this is the greatest
Of all time. Yeah.
Like, Magala ska ba on a public platform. Don't lie on a public platform. Freedom of speech. Sometimes you guys use that freedom of speech to speak nonsense. You speak nonsense, guys. It's not how whoever be wa poster. I know. Omali uchiza ofeta everyone. No.
Yeah.
It's not that.
Yeah.
It's not that. But for to
It's not in black and white, bro.
Yeah, let's use when you address things, let's use the proper words.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. I vibe with Mfetu ke rata sound ya. But when how so la bo best.
Gold.
It's where you make things lose relevance.
Yeah.
Hadisana moelelo hore
Yes,
na
sir.
vale ke mane mo vele o so tlo hla. For example, if I'm motho a bile lipine chesang for 2 minutes.
Yes.
Let's take I'm not saying una lipine chesang for it's Sinner.
Yes, Sanner. Yes.
Sanner has one of the hottest songs.
Yes.
We can't just
Everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah. Everybody has their time.
You know, everybody has their time.
Yeah.
Like people there are so many posts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Anything on
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Which is on the yeah.
The same
The
thing.
thing, yeah.
Sanna is coming for you.
Like what?
What are you doing, dog?
Hey, nice.
Okay, how do you feel? Let me ask you this, Ne. How do you feel about okay, I ask you this basically, who do you I'm gonna start it here. Who do you aspire to work like? You know what I mean? There's artists in this country, the OG, you know what I mean? There's plenty, you know. I can already hear you. I can already hear you. Now, okay, the two people, who are those artists that you aspire to at least maybe work ethic or at least to reach the heights that they've reached? Also, what do you think of the competition space? I think there's a healthy competition, yes, but there's also toxic competition. How do you feel about that space as well?
Well, now and I really want to work like him. I think I'm on the right route.
Yes, sir.
One, Ladestan. And Ladestan is doing.
Shout out.
He's able to like,
work ethic.
I created demand. He's booked everywhere, and all the money goes to him. And also
who's handling what?
It's not a record label.
Yeah.
And then there is also. I don't know much about him, but I like the way he moves.
Yes, sir.
And
Good Times Records.
Yeah, our culture.
Yes, sir.
I will present
And I got sound
they fall in love with brands.
Yes, sir.
Like
Yes, sir. Burner is
Trust me,
hard.
I never hear when I've been but I.
It's hard. Hard. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, and by the way, Burna Boy uses a lot of samples. Like this guy, I really forgot his name. Somebody will mention that in the comments. But there's this guy. He's like a Nigerian, a legend. Mewa Burna Boy used to sing like background for.
Fela Kuti.
Yeah,
that's Fela.
Yeah. So Burna Boy takes majority of his music.
Yeah.
And then he
cooks
it.
Like
modern.
And that's the thing. The reality of music is if you've ever been in a producer type element, nothing is new under the sun. I should tell you that.
No, nothing at all.
Yeah. So
even us doing this is not something.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's really dope. He's an amazing producer and he's an amazing artist.
Yeah.
Burna doesn't write, bro.
He knows what he wants. Like,
he's very.
One thing about being creative, you need to know what you want because there are so many things. Okay, this is how I want my podcast to be. I want it to be different in this way, and I know it's something new. People might not like it, but I know what I want, and I know eventually
they'll catch on.
So how creative? You need to know what you want.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before as well, like I gave it to so many people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then trust me, I think 70% of people said it wouldn't work.
Yes, sir.
But look where
it is. Yeah.
So, you need to know.
Yeah.
So the competition.
Yes, sir.
It's a question I always wanted to address on my Facebook, but because
I got left.
Here's a platform.
So yeah,
yes, sir.
I think our industry in the whole and but problem compare because fame get track ya die.
Yes,
yeah.
How if like go to chase after. And then you develop attitude.
Yes, sir.
It's a bolaya the collaboration.
Yes, sir.
It could develop a competition.
Yeah.
And then industry in the tapatabankalong in this sense. It wasn't a guy to zona hagele sharp.
Yeah.
Captain go hooked zona hagele sharp. I guess I don't know it because compete. And I cannot help you in the compete. So I think it's a very who handle a fee. Music sharp. The way we move sharp because what I've learned, nobody sounds like the other.
Yeah.
And then people are coming through their own sound. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We just need to deal with the fee.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One other thing I want to address. This is gonna be part of my segment in this podcast. I am going to mention it, guys. Get correct that it term it's Basotho hale famous, the popular. There's a difference between being fame and popularity. You are just popular amongst batho ba monana ba hae. What's Israel? Hey, we have Cardi on the camera. Silo couldn't be here.
City on the sound.
City on the sound.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Being popular and being famous. So, like using the term being famous and then trying to hide yourself. Come around, I famous, I can get away.
Yes,
it's not bad.
Yeah.
But what I by famous, that is a famous person.
Yes,
you know, like
discussing something to do with.
It's not about money.
How widespread it is.
It's about like your influence, even in your name. How heavy your name is.
It demands respect.
I'm pretty sure like 20 people are gonna buy this water.
Yeah.
You know, in comparison, yes, Omali's popular. Yes. Omali's drinking this water. But yeah, but I'm just saying, you know, batho ba ka se ba tlolo ipata ka mara hore ke famous.
Yeah.
So hobane ke le famous, I can get in body event tsa batho mahala. You know, nka feta batho di lining, nka etsa trafficking, nka etsa nyoko, whatever, you get what I'm saying. So ntwe
the culture needs to be dissolved.
Yeah, culture ena gona go tlhoka lokisa di terms tse ngata.
I think mo ke hlokometseng it's on Facebook.
Yeah. Toxic, Facebook is toxic as hell.
There are people be loreng ke the Facebook lots tse mona tsa gore la ha ba lo wrong. People are still on their side.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something funny about Facebook?
Yeah.
Facebook has become a third world social media. Like
it's their Twitter.
Yeah, habasa sedisa Facebook. Facebook is because it has become more of like a toxic environment. Somebody got hit this past time.
It's crazy.
And then now Facebook has like made that into like a topic. Everyone knows it. Like everybody's like
Everybody's in.
Do you know what it is? I always say this, guys. I'm like, then we're talking about this with a friend of mine. He's an influencer of some sort. You know, proper following, cult following. You know what I mean? So we're talking about this. We are the scene. You understand? There's nobody else we're looking for. We are, AKA goes off at Casper on Twitter. We are that scene. You understand?
Yeah.
But at the same time, you have to understand you're a scene because you're in a village. You know what I mean? So let me say, who specifically just a backwater village, bruv. But it's about you know what I mean? Make it make sense. Like, it's cool to go beat somebody up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, you said this, Bobby, I'm gonna beat you, and no consequences.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense, you know? So we're still developing this industry. We're still developing this space. So in the lane to now,
so
the reforcer.
I want to interrupt you in a bit.
Yes, sir.
You're not too. It don't like this is way more intina.
Yes, sir.
Come on, all that feud.
Yeah.
Those people are gonna get booked. Like,
Everything's gonna go bad.
It's annoying. Just appearance by the beater and the beating. Guys, what about the talented people? He makes music.
You know,
why don't you book someone who's talented?
Might beat some niggas up.
And in SA, it's also a thing.
We need to deal with Facebook community.
Yes, sir.
Because
We need to address it.
it's a design how trend you are famous.
Yeah.
How trend that people wanna see you.
Yeah.
And really, people really wanna see you because we're trendy.
Yeah.
That's the problem of we need to.
Ke yona training ke tshwake re lokiseng di term
Yeah.
tsa bo fame le ona le some dollar ne re le ka nale ana bitswa cheese nana.
Yeah.
Bro,
You got famous over some jokes in here.
famous bro. Like,
Whoa, why?
cheese nana hohle le rile cheese nana. Everybody ana kopala. Cheese nana, say cheese
But
nana.
I feel like that's the reality media check
Yeah.
Facebook.
Yeah.
You have to have a scandal hore
Yeah.
obe
You know,
Facebook.
re high.
Village.
But then I wanna ask.
No
bro,
publicity.
I'm
It's
sorry
bad
to interrupt
publicity,
you.
yeah.
I wanna ask, how do you block out the noise?
Yeah.
Obviously, TikTok how it's going mad.
Yeah.
Your
I think
Facebook is crazy.
there's two things that made me feel this community is very cool. I is what the law now we go on as long as Baba Lemunya say so it happened like a scandal Sabina Yamaha.
Yes, sir.
And then it also happened Gamaveli the other time.
Yeah.
So what happened
With
Speak about it.
with Maveli? I don't know.
You have a platform, my friend.
Peace, way.
More than enough cameras.
US.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The first day I got here, Kinegana event there, Galadina.
Yes, sir.
That was on, I think, Tuesday. Labagaro, a public holiday.
Yeah.
So evening we are booked into Mahana Sibu Mani. And then I also have to go to his gig Yabana. And then months working at the gig again. So for New York Monana is something like 21 hours. So
Talk about it.
I would teach you eventing 18 and I'm really tired.
Jet lag.
Please go I'm not gonna come through. But he did not want to listen. I'm pissed. I'm blind. He called. man o tsa se ke le tseleng ke atla mo leng teng okay sharp ka nete nna boroko ba ba ntlola I slept and then he called the phone wa hang ha iphukue so I get hore e ka nna go utlwisisa ke ntse phoso
Yes.
but my problem ke ha ya Facebook I don't hlalosa everything how to went about ke ntjaka ke brand and then he was killing my brand
Yes, sir.
o re le nna I killed his brand ka ha ja event ya ha ine ke tsebiso ya yona but I explained I wasn't mona go fela
We see
o bona
it,
face ke sa I explained and ha batla go buisa so that's what happened so people never comment da
to the say
In ring, angry.
re sa lo tsonyo go tsinana
Ai re ka botsine.
re sa tlhokomela gore
sa lo tswa
ha bana
How wanna do
utlwela
it?
bohloko
Hi.
everyone wants to say their piece
Yeah.
and valley like I said on the Facebook plots on only people are going to be on their side on their side. So we need to deal with internal because
The community needs to be tamed down.
soon enough Antona e ka tswela pele at the Facebook
Yeah.
one day when I'm talking people
Hey.
gore e be famous
I think it has happened that I think it has happened
e be go tla Facebook a sa
Eh.
pele because how it's been a motho o dina jwang ntona
Yeah.
ke la ka hlakola Facebook a hlakola everything ana go I wanted to stay away from
Social media. Yeah.
oh man that is tragic
Yeah,
man.
but like the thing he was asking Gona, how do you block out the noise?
Oh, yeah,
You know, because had a very mona to that.
I
Yeah.
think get about the team fella because how long how it go chase and you're going to respond you
Yeah.
need to have a team in to check out constantly
Yeah, I'm gonna relax.
general but go find those who okay I'm a brand
Yeah.
go senya my endorsement they give man
Yeah.
go senya relationship ya ka
Le
le my
inye.
people
Yeah.
so hi let me just
Sometimes you need to shut up.
yeah
Sometimes you just
And
need
it's
to
the
like
best way
minds.
to-
Yeah.
o tlo bona batho ba etsang a comment e be ha go letho ka ba post be ha go letho a isa go
Hey.
o tlo bona hore
And then address it.
you said something
Yeah.
And then I'll reply, oh, no, I'm your biggest fan. I have this song.
even no you know what's the funny thing even kopana the following day
Yeah.
like yo can I take a but my guy you said this and that
Yeah.
you know like yeah so social media ka simona na le teng we still
intense.
have a lot of bullying social media ka
You have a lot to
simona.
go.
And hase
social
go
media fela tsama bale
Everywhere.
to do content creation
Yeah.
it's a drug
Yeah, try.
yeah it's a drug
Yeah.
yeah man so we wanted to play a game with you ne
That's all right.
yeah we've been like
Chopping it up for a while.
chopping it up
Yeah.
so we're calling this the 3-second rule
Yes, sir.
so in the 3-second rule we're gonna play a song and then you and the co-hosts are gonna like guess or not no peeping
No
so
peeping.
you're gonna guess or not keep in a thing you know
Yeah, you local if it.
yeah, it's only local music. We support local here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you got the rules? Are you guys ready? Ralph? No peeking.
so if I know the answer
I don't know.
Yeah.
He's gonna stop the song and then he's gonna tell like, whoever answers first. The guy. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, who's
Wait. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like
The
this.
score is gonna pop up here.
Yeah, let's do it like this. Whoa, yo, Jenna, you watch who raised the hand first, okay? Cause I feel like you have more objectivity than over the camera. Yes. So let's do that.
Say less. And a 1, 2, 3, go.
Building. Big Serene.
Ha! Back like I'm got. Let's go back.
And disqualified.
I'm sorry.
You said it. He said it without.
Bad.
It's disqualified.
My bad.
Hey.
Big Serene, I was like, hey,
Okay.
I'm back. Back
Back
like
like
God. Well, yeah, it was trending on TikTok for the longest time.
Yeah. Oh no, it has mad
It has
numbers on
mad numbers on TikTok.
So,
yes, sir.
on thingy.
on Spotify,
On
and
Spotify,
yeah.
matter over my 80k.
Yeah.
Oh, what I said. Said it before. Okay. Another song. 3 seconds, guys. 3 seconds.
Hey, got it.
Okay.
That is a song from album DJ Zaka. With Stana and Weaver.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
let's
You
go.
got it. You got
Let's
it. Cherry and Pint.
Oh, yeah. Shut up.
Right.
Now I feel like I was set up.
You gotta listen to local. You're pushing local.
We're teaching you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oi.
got it.
That was the second.
Come
Got it.
Okay.
That is Nego Rata by Commando.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
oh, God, you guys are
won't get it
good.
down my
It
side.
should be between you guys.
No, you're in the game. You're in the game.
I
swear,
We're schooling you. It's your turn.
Next. Wow, O'Malley's.
He's going off.
Yeah.
Yo.
That is my guy's song, Sanne.
Yes,
Shout out Sanera. Shout out
Yes.
Sanera.
Yeah.
Come to the show.
He's listening. Yes. Pull up.
Keeping up, guy. No one's keeping count.
Yeah, no,
Four.
it's for song.
Okay.
Continue.
No. Spotify, what are you doing?
Hey, Torranta.
Yeah, got it.
What?
It's a song also from DJ Zaga's album.
Yeah.
It's on my name.
Wow.
Oh yeah, with cheese, which is breezy. Yeah.
Oh, you guys.
The beginning.
Couple of essay.
No. We're good.
no,
We're good.
that's
Let's keep it here. Let's keep it here.
Catching hands, guys.
Get your elf.
Got it.
Wow.
What? He's killing me. Somebody save me.
Okay, O'Malley.
Shit. But I love this so much because it's in the scene.
Yeah.
And that is Malume Vector.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Oh, yeah, you got that right. Yeah.
He's in the scene.
Okay.
Makes sense.
No. For you guys, ne.
God damn.
Ke tlo le lahlela tse pedinyana tse
God damn.
tse international. Ke re.
You might
Ibrahim, let me do this first.
Might be
Yeah.
Surprises.
Let me do this first.
Yeah.
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 You guys are supposed to get it.
That's Somali.
Alright, that was O'Malley.
Yes.
Yeah,
that was O'Malley.
Yes, that was a bonus. This is a plus. No, let's have a see you.
But it looks like you guys are like having a tough time.
I know, who got you? Don't worry.
He's
Now I'm just
killing
gonna
y'all.
listen to songs for the first 3 seconds and pass them. Local. 3 seconds different for the next game.
Yeah.
Super Mega, AKA
Yeah.
Java Sponono.
Yeah.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, aka. Then okay, last one.
Yes, sir.
Last
one,
one.
yeah.
Ngide
Sir.
supposed to come up with a point.
No. Let me hear, bro.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's 1-1.
No,
Then
I like
yes,
2
5.
points. Homie is just out.
I'm catching up.
Alright, here's a
Watch.
point.
Yes.
Here's 1 point.
Watch.
Yeah, man. These are the songs we were afraid YouTube is gonna flag us.
Yeah, no, it's
So,
all good. This is safe.
Alright, last one, ne?
Mm.
Last one.
Oh, AKA.
No,
AKA.
not AKA. Kulichana.
Oh,
I can have
it's on the remix.
6. Half a point for Twara.
Dog, he's in the song, so you know what I mean.
AK is on the remix.
Yes, it's on the remix.
Oh yeah, this is like the I played
That's the one
the
with naughty, yeah.
I played the original.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
But I
the
can't
3-second
be.
rule.
Shout out.
Yeah, that was the 3-second rule.
I need to run in
Yes, sir. Yes,
industry.
sir.
So
How
you-
do I feel
yeah.
the gap?
The void, yeah. The sound that you're making, it
Yeah.
has to be different as well
Yeah,
from the
that's true,
what
yeah.
the other homies are making. Oh, you got. By the way, you don't know this. You're like the first guest. You're the inaugural guest of the show.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Cause
Is it?
because
Yeah.
and like from the industry, you're like the start. You know, Alpha State.
Shout out.
So shout out to you. This is the first of a kind, man. Thank you so much for being
Tell
on
your
the jump.
people about us.
Yeah, we got you.
Tell your friends.
We got you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you so much, fam.
But I will follow you.
Yes, sir.
Ralph has
Yeah.
some trash news for us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys see?
Yeah, we have trash news.
Did you guys see? So Kanye West is venturing into porn.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's crazy.
Like I read it from multiple sources.
Yeah.
Of it.
Yeah.
Like he wants to create like a.
It's Kanye West.
He also posted.
But
it.
then again, he has some tweets back in the day.
Yeah.
Thought it porn
Yeah.
ruined his family.
Oh yeah, I remember he did
And,
that.
Yeah, he mentioned that he was addicted and-
Growing up.
Yeah.
So what's your take on like brands or like people
Yeah.
venturing into things that are not necessarily aligned
And with them.
Yeah. Well,
Do you
Kanye.
think it's important to?
Yeah, Kanye was number one.
Yeah.
Kanye is not okay.
Yeah.
Next minute to Chochinana. Next minute to Chochinana.
Yeah.
Because you can't
Yeah.
say something ruined your family
Yeah.
and almost ruined your life.
That's
and then
right.
next thing,
It's a
it's
hypocrite.
yay.com and then it's like a porn side.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
It's
And you're from Yeezus, bruv. You know what I mean?
You drop two.
I'll go to
gospel,
you know, it doesn't make
and then
sense.
it's like you're moving that way.
Yeah.
Because Hape, it's not just only Kanye. It's all about Lore. Iggy Azalea has an OnlyFans. Tiger has an OnlyFans. And the explicit it's on. It's not like it's just
it's just for vibes. Just for vibes.
Yeah, so is there money in this game?
The money is
maybe you should be on OnlyFans. It's not too rent.
already a model.
It's not too rent.
I want a Spotify as a pattern.
It's 2 rents per view.
Yeah.
20 years e tla be se le ngata what happens ke tlose ka montse ikeketsa
Spotify.
mohlomong ma 20 years e tla be le something e le go gona mo reka bo tire tsa bolitse for
Because it's crazy how even Snoop Dogg with on so many songs they fit 1 billion on Spotify, but he only got paid like 50K.
That's what I was saying.
I'm like, what?
That's what I was saying.
50K.
That's the thing with Out Black with the 2K thing. But that's crazy though. That's crazy.
Wait, Anati's what?
Anati took his account of Spotify.
Because I patal.
But he came back. He
Why
came back.
would-
He
why would
dropped
Anati
new
do
music.
that?
No, he moved the first project, but he came back now. His new singles are on Spotify. It was a distribution thing. I think with his old people. Yeah, you know. Oh yeah. Also, how do you the masters to your music? Who owns the masters to your music?
What are
Are
the
they all
splits
you?
like?
The splits.
you have to own the masters.
Yeah.
Like whatever you do, whatever you sign, the masters is not like it's a house specific.
Right.
So
Yeah.
that's what I was told.
Yeah.
There's a record label impelling the contract and they were trying to say.
Yeah.
I don't know if you I can mention.
Yeah.
No.
No, is it
Keep that to your chest.
Do you feel like it's safe?
Yeah.
No, do you feel like it's safe to talk about it?
I'm not sure if I'm going on.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
Nah,
Okay.
just
It's all good.
one play
They know themselves.
the contract.
Yeah.
So
Nella mic hanyane fa.
Yeah. Yeah.
It has a lot of complicated English.
Yeah.
It's very long.
That's where I come in.
Very long.
That's where I
So,
come in.
Hana bitjang fine print.
Yeah.
called fine print,
Yes,
yeah.
with the
o tlo
fine print.
ithuta ka morago,
Between the
okay,
lines.
this is what was meant.
Yeah.
Dipina tsa hao ha sta hao.
Yeah.
And ke tsa bona because ba tlo etsa ka matla ho
Pusha. Yeah. Ho bona. Yeah.
And then ha se le jalo, that's when they own the master stuff.
Yeah.
So how can also fana ka di masters? Pina how ba ka khona ho because ba e be.
Yeah.
Ba etsitse
Whatever they
You
want.
can control it.
Yeah.
The ambitious Malume Vector scandal.
But you still
Yeah.
pinaza high.
Yeah. They
Oh,
did.
dumelang.
They flagged him. They flagged him when he pushed them on his platforms. Yeah. Even the new ones, they remove him. Because
Oh.
they still own like the rights
rights.
to.
So not safe.
Yeah. So that part is crazy because you need to really own your music. Even in like anything actually that you do, your IP. So like I have like a platform that I've been doing. Yeah. I actually did the negotiation for Hope's contract with the manager, right?
Shoot.
So he gave me the contract when they sent it through, and then we had like a few meetings with the homies online, and I went through it, you know.
Yeah.
So I remember Letaje Muchela, like, don't sign this, bruv, you know. It wasn't like it was a management contract, but I was just saying like, don't sign this until the thing that you need, that you want.
Yeah.
Like, because it was about him moving to the States back then, and I was like, bruv, they need to say in the contract they're gonna take care of you. You could be homeless. You know how many homeless people are in the States who are pushing big
Yeah.
artists and stuff, you know. So you're gonna be a kid from Katleho, Nasehu, and then you're going to the US with a guy who's affiliated with Mario and is affiliated with T-Pain and whatever, but you don't know how they're gonna take care of you. All they're saying is come through. You know what I mean? So I told him that, and then we did like a young review with it, and then like I don't know how they carried on because post that that part I was not like left behind. A bit more. But ideally, I understand what you mean by having to read the fine print. I always tell homies this. Kinse, I started like, a project like 2 years ago where I basically draw up contracts for artists. You know, so instead of the record label coming to you with a contract,
You have to.
you sign it up. You know, we create a contract for you, and then we hobo. Or when they give you a contract, I do the reading, and then you go tell us in the way that you understand. But you know what? But what I see are crazy because nobody's listening. You know what I mean?
Also, people need to understand how like lefatsheng mona.
Yes, sir.
Mona se re sa e shebe ka tsela ya go sebetsa, but lefatsheng there's nobody a ka thewa ma go fela a tlo re ba fit. I like what you do. Let me buy you equipment.
Yeah.
That is an investment. Those are reasons. It's an investment.
Yeah.
You know, if it doesn't work,
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
So game in I say
Yeah.
it's either it works, it's gonna stop working at some point.
Yeah.
It doesn't work from the
on goal. Yeah.
So, Ole Omali, what can you say to the young people who are looking up to you? Ba batlang hore le bona they should be
Wherever you are, yeah.
Go hona tjena you can't say Omali is there, but you're not down there.
Yeah.
You're
moving.
projecting.
He's
You're on
moving.
your way up. Hore batho ba fihlele mono. What can you just say, just in a few words, fella? Now,
how do we get the jump?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I think
How you get the jump?
It's very important to have a team. And a team, how it's not people you just met. Not for me.
Yeah.
It's people who you've been, rolling with.
Yeah.
Because there are people who are about on how the vision is how, the weakness is how.
Shout them out. Shout the team out.
Hey, my brother, team, I get the whole of Sutu Kids, trust me.
Sutu Kids.
That is my
Yeah.
team. The whole of Sutu Kids.
That is your
I
family.
can perform, I will do things.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's very important to have a team how but because there are people behind your back. This guy is going astray, but he's getting lost. But behind the back about what you need a team also matters if you deal with that. You want how usually you need people because fame like I said, popularity
Yes,
and then you need to pray a lot. People don't pray. Oh, I know I'm very talented, and you don't realize what the talented are. You need to keep praying for that talent. For I maintain, I offer even more. So, pray for your talent as well.
Wisdom, everything, knowledge.
And also learn. Don't be afraid of asking. Now, what I used to do back then, I used to hate GGF. He's my dog. He's my dog. And I give him a story. Yo, bro. How do you blind? What can I do? What do you do? So, my guys are available. Text contact anyone.
So GGF Papa
No, he didn't reply. He did not reply.
Oh yeah. Say less.
But you get where he was there.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, because you were there now.
I believe you want guy on
Yeah. Go and hey, nase ke tshaba ba lo Omali. Omali sa le re tloetsa pina le yena. Se ke tshaba o founa. Remember we said you're going to studio. So when are you free? But man, I'm glad you came through.
Yes, sir.
Glad you came through the podcast. You're our first guest, as we said. Too many more. We wish you all the best.
Yes, sir.
We want to see all those international features. We want to see you there. And
Bro, MTV, what we talking about? Let's go Grammys, bro.
Look at Nello. He was a channel own. Like the doors are open. Like anything is possible. Anything is possible.
But also,
let's just get there.
I think as an industry, we need to open doors for one another.
Gatekeeping.
I know but you get that opportunity. Why gatekeep? Like you don't open doors. Now all my life I've been opening doors. Top names, but I've been opening doors. And then somehow for me, it's more like praying.
No, that is good, man.
Yes,
like having to open doors. Honestly, I always tell folks but how suggest let's suggest each other. You come over Vatican and I won't take credit now suggest. But I know Majita amongst us more. There was but I remember there was one that I suggested. It was the Valentine thingy. You remember that Valentine event? You were playing with the Origin. I was the one. Origin. Even Omali should come through. But I'm just saying we should like learn to suggest each other. Letting how suggest about it's not like you are losing. It's also a gain. Because how many times beats a mama. Even no benefit event. How to live out of how to I suggest
but like I think everything is cultural, bro. Ekala ka ho na collaboration. You don't know. You see the amount of collaboration that's happening in the industry right now, and all of that. Yeah, we are creating the space that we want.
We have to do that.
Yeah.
In this podcast, Leona, is all about the bridge.
Yeah.
We are linking people. We are linking things because this old stuff. Misebetsi ena ya kgale. Ya hore mang mang o tla batla hore a book scheme sa hae.
Have you realized,
You know?
way back in the industry, in order for you to blow up, you had to be part of the circle in a blow up.
Yeah. We know it. We know it. We've been there.
To be friends.
We've been there. We've been there. Yeah. Yeah, we've been there. Even the DJs never know in twin. House my all I've ever wanted it was to hold a Cuban links.
Yeah.
No, fam, that was my dream. Like let's a Cuban links. That was my. You wanna line up? What's this? What is this, man? Kings of the Weekend. One of the concept 924 tribes. I lobby. I wanted myself in there until I got it. I was like, okay, nice, cool, you know. Yeah, but it wasn't it. I was like, you know, so trying to be mixed up into those things we get, or like it might be part of the pressure, but people should learn, when you do your own thing, you're gonna get there. And this guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, follow Omali Temba. What are your handles?
On Facebook, Omali Temba Music. TikTok, official. Is it no Omali Temba Music?
Yeah.
Because there's somebody I can get some name. I don't know.
Hey.
Trust me.
And I'm kupile pontoning.
Spotify.
Thanks guys for watching. Tune in, tell a friend, comment, like, dislike, whatever you do. But thanks for watching. Shout out and we out.
Shut up.
Yango.
Yeah.